Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So let's start reading the Russian fairy tale The Firebird. Why are you sad, Ivan? How can I help being sad? I cannot bear to think of exchanging the horse with the golden mane for the firebird. Cheer up, I will help you, said the wolf. Soon they came to the tsardom of Tsar Ephron. Hide the horse and Alina the fair, said the wolf. I will turn myself into golden mane, and you shall take me to Tsar Ephron. Ivan led him off to Tsar Ephron, and the Tsar was delighted and gave him the firebird and the golden case too. Ivan went back to the woods, put Alina the fair on Golden Mane's back, and taking the golden cage with the firebird in it, set off homewards. Meanwhile, Tsar Ephron had the gift horse brought to him, and he was just about to get on its back when it turned into a grey wolf. So frightened was Tsar that he fell down where he stood, and Grey Wolf ran away and soon caught up with Ivan. And now I must say goodbye, said he, for I can go no farther. Ivan got off the horse, bowed low 3 times, and thanked Grey Wolf humbly. Do not say goodbye for good, for you may still have need of me, said Grey Wolf. Why should I need him again? Thought Ivan. All my wishes have been fulfilled. He got on Golden Mane's back and rode on with Alina the Fair and the Firebird. By and by, they reached his own native land, and Ivan decided to stop for a bite to eat. He had a little bread with him, so they ate the bread and drank fresh water from the spring, and then lay down to rest. No sooner had Ivan fallen asleep than his brothers came riding up. They had been to other lands in search of the firebird and were now coming home empty handed. When they saw that Ivan had got everything, they said, Let us kill our brother Ivan, for then all his spoils will be ours. And with that they killed Ivan. Then they got on Golden Mane's back, took the firebird, seated Alina the fair on the horse, and said, See that you say not a word about this at home. So there lay Ivan on the ground, with the ravens circling over his head. All of a sudden, who should come running but Grey Wolf? He ran up and he seized a raven and her fledgling. Fly and fetch me dead and living water, raven, said the wolf. If you do, I shall let your nestling go. The raven flew off. What else could she do? While the wolf held her fledgling. Whether a long time passed by or a little time, nobody knows. But at last she came back with the dead and living water. Grey Wolf sprinkled the dead water on Ivan's wounds, and the wounds healed. Then he sprinkled him with the living water, and Ivan came back to life. Oh, how suddenly I slept, said he. Hey, said Grey Wolf, and but for me, you would never have wakened. Your own brothers killed you and took away all your treasures. Get on my back, quick. They went off in hot pursuit, and they soon caught up with the 2 brothers, and Grey Wolf tore them to bits and scattered the bits over the field. Ivan bowed to Grey Wolf and took leave of him for good. He rode home on the horse with the golden mane, and he brought his father the firebird and himself a bride, Alina the fair. Tsar Berendi was overjoyed and asked his son all about everything. Ivan told him how Grey Wolf had helped him and how his brothers had killed him while he slept, and Grey Wolf had torn them to bits. At first, Zabirundi was sorely grieved, but he soon got over it. And Ivan married Alina the Fair, and they lived together in health and cheer for many a long and prosperous year. The end. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel.